In this video, we're going to solve applications involving confidence intervals for population means when sigma is known. So you are given the sample mean and population standard deviation. Use this information to construct both a 90% and a 95% confidence interval for the population mean and interpret the results and compare the widths of the confidence intervals. If convenient, use technology to construct the confidence intervals. We're going to do that with our calculator over here. A random, let's get there. So we need stat tests number 7 here to get a z interval, and we are told that we have 55 people and the mean price is 125.00 and population standard deviation is 1930 and 90% is what I want. And given the context of this problem, I think that I want to make sure that I go to 2 decimal places. Might need to type some stuff in again here. That's number 7. Let's see here. 19.30 and 25, 55, 0.9 for 90%. All right, let's calculate that. All right, so 120.72 and 129.28. Again, I rounded to 2 decimal places on purpose because this is dollars and cents. We're not going to put the dollar sign here, I don't think, but just know that this is money here. So we're going to 2 decimal places. Now we're going to change that to 95%. Everything else stays the same other than this right here. And that becomes 119.90. And this becomes 130.10. Again, I don't think they want you to put the dollar signs, but just know that's dollars and cents. So the 95% confidence interval is going to be wider because it has a larger margin of error, even though they have the same sample mean. With the 95% confidence interval is wider. It's not this one. With 90% confidence, it can be said that the population price lies in the first interval. With 95% confidence, it can be said that the population price lies in the second interval. It's this one. All right, there we go. And number 2, you're given the sample mean and population standard deviation and want to construct a 90 and 95% confidence interval again. Let's get this back into float. Actually, they're telling us to go to 2 decimal places, so let's just leave it at 2 for now. Stat test number 7, and our standard deviation here is going to be 15.27 degrees. Our X bar is 84.56 degrees. Our N is going to be 79. Our level of confidence we're going to start off with is going to be 0.90. And this is going to be 81.73. We know these are degrees F, and 87.39, again, degrees F. Change that to stat test number 7 to a 95% level of confidence. And we get 81.19 to 87 0.93. The 95% confidence interval is wider. 90% confidence that the population mean high temperature is between the bounds of the 90% confidence interval and 95% confident for the 95% interval. And there we go. All right. That is it for this video. We'll come back next time and start talking about 6.2. See you for the next video.